More and more people are exploring vegan and gluten-free diets for good reason. Going vegan means avoiding all animal products. This includes meat, dairy and eggs. It's all about plant power. Think fruits, vegetables, grains and legumes. A gluten-free diet removes gluten. Gluten is a protein found in wheat, barley and rye. Both diets offer amazing health benefits. A vegan diet can lower your risk of heart disease. It can also help with weight management. Going gluten-free can improve digestion for those with sensitivities. It can also increase energy levels. It's easier than ever to adopt these diets. Supermarkets are packed with options. Delicious recipes are everywhere. Let's explore some simple and tasty meals to get you started. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day. It sets you up for success. A gluten-free vegan breakfast can be quick and easy. Think overnight oats. Combine gluten-free rolled oats with your choice of plant milk. Add some chia seeds and maple syrup for sweetness. Leave it in the fridge overnight. In the morning, top with fresh fruit. This breakfast is packed with nutrition. Oats provide fiber, keeping you full and satisfied. Chia seeds are a great source of omega-3 fatty acids. You'll feel energized and ready to conquer the day. Lunch doesn't have to be complicated. Salads are a fantastic option. They are quick, easy and packed with nutrients. Use a base of leafy greens. Add in your favorite veggies. Think bell peppers, cucumbers and tomatoes. For protein, try chickpeas, lentils or tofu. Make a simple dressing with olive oil and lemon juice. Add herbs and spices for extra flavor. Pack your salad in a reusable container. Enjoy it at work or on the go. It's a delicious and satisfying way to fuel your afternoon. Dinner is a time to relax and enjoy a delicious meal. A gluten-free vegan dinner can be both comforting and flavorful. Try a lentil soup. Lentils are a great source of protein and fiber. Sauté onions, carrots and celery in olive oil. Add lentils, vegetable broth and your favorite spices. Simmer until the lentils are tender. Serve with a side of gluten-free bread for dipping. This hearty soup is perfect for a cold evening. It's packed with nutrients and will leave you feeling satisfied. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment with your thoughts and let us know what you'd like to see in future episodes.